that I'm less than impressed with the splitter. The original screws that it came in were way too small. I had to put in larger lag nuts. And then this is soldered together. I used to have one that was just solid cast iron. So this is like, I think it's just stainless steel all soldered together. It vibrates when you hit it. I strapped it to this tree to try to help to keep it stable. This is cherry. Maybe it's not the best base for this. I've tried different hammers. I tried this hammer. I tried a maul. They work, but it's a lot of effort. I just feel like the other one I had before was a little bit smoother. Maybe I was stronger then. This is oak, so it's a bit hard to split. So maybe that's another consideration. But so far I'm not impressed with it. But I'll keep it here